staff in an office owns either a Mercedes or a Toyota car? 20 owns Mercedes, 15 own Toyota, and 5 own both. How many staff are there in the office? Now, to get this question, draw your Venn diagram. It's your best shot, so it will help you understand the question better. So remember, some own both. That's 5 own both. Remember, this is going to be your Mercedes, and this is going to be your Toyota. So for Mercedes, 20 own Mercedes. So the real number of Mercedes will be 20 minus 5, while Toyota will be 15 minus 5. So to get the total number of people in the office is going to be 20 minus 5 plus 5 plus 15 minus 5. Now this is going to give us 20 minus 5 is 15 plus 5 plus 15 minus 5 is going to give us 10. Now this is going to be 15 plus 5, that's 20. 20 plus 10 is going to give us 30. So from here, I can deduce that the total number of people in the office is 30. So my final answer here is going to be B. So I'm going to tick my B. Okay, that will take me to the next question. Now this question says if n, the numbers in P, element P is equal to 19, P union Q will give us 38, and P intersection Q, the number is actually 7. Find n of Q. Okay, I think there's an issue here, so I need to correct it. So the first thing you need to know here, it's your P, the number of elements in your P, it's 19. Your N, P union Q, it's 38. While the next thing you need to know, it's number of P intersection Q, it's 7. So to get our P only, you need to find P only first. Remember, P only is going to be 19 minus P intersection Q minus 7, which is going to give us 12. Okay? So how do we get our total? When we sum up the whole total, if we were to draw a Venn diagram of this, let's draw a Venn diagram so it will guide us. So this is our P, and this is our Q. So this is our P intersection Q. It's actually, this is 7. Now, this is going to be 19 minus 7. P only is going to be 19 minus 7. This place is going to be, we don't have Q. So Q is actually what we're looking for. So this is going to be, we don't know this yet. So now, how do we get this? So to get the number of people in Q, what we need to do is, we will say P only plus Q only plus P intersection Q is going to give us our total, which is the P union Q. That's 38. So our P only is going to give us 12 plus Q only, that's what we don't know, plus P intersection Q gave us 7. Now this will give us 38. Now what we need to do is add up the numbers. 12 plus 7 is going to give us this is 19 plus Q only will give us 38. Therefore our Q only is going to be 38 minus 19, and that will give us 38 minus 19 is going to give us that's 19. Okay, now we've gotten our Q only. To get the number of people in Q, remember, number of people in Q only included, this will be Q only plus those people in P intersection N of P intersection Q. Because let's assume some people who take attributes in element in item P also do Q. So to get the total number of people doing Q, it's going to be Q only, which is 19 plus 7, and that will give us 26. So our final answer is going to be 26. So we are going to mark our 26. Okay, so this is the last question for this series. I want to thank some of you who have stayed with us through this series before I solve this question. And if you really think this question, what we are doing makes sense, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So now, given that P is equal to, it says P is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, because he used the sign less than or equal to, and is less than or equal to, then Q is going to be, it says 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And it says find X, where X is an integer, okay? Find N P intersection Q. Now, P intersection Q is going to be, now, remember our intersection, we're looking for numbers that are common, so we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, and we have 6. Okay? So, now we have this. Okay, so this is our P intersection Q. Now, if you count the number of elements, then remember it says our X, it says X is an integer. So that means we are going to count the number of elements in P intersection Q. That is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct answer is 5. So as we can see, the answer is not in our options. So the options are all wrong. So the correct answer is 5. Okay, so thank you very much for staying through with us and the set topic. We want to appreciate you for staying through with us. Now, like I said, if you've not hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. Please like the video. And if you think what we are doing, please drop a comment to appreciate us. We want to thank you for staying through with us. And we are asking you to hit the subscribe button so you can watch out for more enthusiastic videos that are coming up. Thank you and stay tuned.